Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Amsterdam and we are checking out the Osmo Pocket 3. We are shooting on it right now, and just so you know, we're just gonna do like initial reactions to this. So I'm going for dinner at a Mexican place. I'll be taking you through. It's at night, so low light situations. See how high we can push that ISO. We're D-Log M, so we're 10-bit color, and then I'll do some grading on this. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's just log footage, and then once I've done a little bit of grading to it, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. This right here is a pizza stand. So it's super windy out and you might not be able to hear me too well, but so far this gimbal is actually so cool to use. So as you just saw, I did like a pan shot from down all the way up, and everything is super stable. So that's what makes it super cool, instead of like my clunky A7 IV, or my iPhone takes good video, but I don't have log footage on it and it doesn't have super stable footage. So I'm walking right now and the field of view is great. I think this thing's pretty cool. Oh, and by the way, we have now switched to auto ISO because it's too annoying to go back and forth. It goes up to 3200 ISO, and I think it's doing a pretty good job. And the last thing I'll say is this triple tap. Oh, triple tap to go this way. And then back to you is actually super convenient. This is super cool because I need a battery for my vintage camera tomorrow, so hopefully they open early. All right, never mind. That's not a Photoshop. I think it says no photos allowed. Silly me, stupid Canadian. A question I had about the Pocket 3 was, does it take photos? And the answer is yes, but I think they're not going to be so good, especially at nighttime. So I'll do like a couple samples, try and get some decent light, maybe some artificial light coming from shop windows, and see how that turns out. Okay, we found Pancho's Cantina. Here we go. Okay, so I think it's pretty cool that I can like essentially run with this thing to see how the footage is, and you know, not have it be too shaky. The only thing that it's kind of missing for me is weatherproofing, but I don't know, I'll just be safe around bodies of water. Back at the hotel, and I'm really excited to review this footage. I'm actually going to Jordan for 2 weeks as well, so I'm going to be using this thing a lot. And I'll also leave a download link in the description if you want to try and grade some of this footage in low light. But I'll be able to use it a lot more in natural light, where I don't have to crank that ISO. The only issue is I don't have NDs. They were sold out of ND filters when I went to buy this. So we'll have to be creative, and it won't be as cinematic footage, but we'll be able to see what this thing can do. See you in the next video. Adios. Peace.